In this video, we will take a look at various terminal shortcuts. There are like tons of Linux terminal shortcuts. However, I will be focusing on the ones I like to use and that I find useful. Let me enlarge the screen so that it's more visible and clear to you. Let's say you want to install the Firefox browser. You type app install Firefox and then you realize you were also supposed to prepend the command with a sudo. Now you have to move the cursor all the way back. A simple shortcut to take the cursor all the way to the beginning is to hold Ctrl and then press the A key. If you want to take the cursor to the end, you hold Ctrl and then type E. For the sake of this video, let's assume Firefox is actually called Firefoxy and you forgot to add a Y at the end. Press Ctrl plus E to move the cursor to the end, then type Y. You can also go back one word at a time instead of going all the way to the beginning. To do that, hold down Alt and then press B. To move forward one word at a time, press Alt plus F. Alt plus B to go back. Alt plus F to go to the end of the word. To delete from the cursor's position to the beginning of the line, hold down Ctrl and then press U. Paste the copied text by pressing Ctrl plus Y. If your cursor is in the beginning of the line and you wanna delete it till the end of the line, the key combination for that is Ctrl plus K. And again, to paste the copied text, press Ctrl and then Y. This copy paste action is also called yanking. That's perhaps why the key combo is Ctrl plus Y. I reckon the Y here stands for yanking. To delete a single word from the cursor to the beginning of the word, hold the Ctrl key and then press W. This is gonna delete one word at a time from the end of the cursor to the beginning of the word the cursor is placed at. To delete the word from the beginning of the cursor to the end, hold down Alt and then press D. One thing to notice here is if you want to take out the whole word using the Ctrl plus W combination, make sure the cursor is after the end of the word. Like in this case, the H alphabet from the word search was left behind because the cursor was not at the end. You know, the space after the word. But using Alt and D for some reason does not have this problem. As you can see, my cursor is not before the beginning of the word, yet it gets deleted in full. Another shortcut I want to talk about is clearing the screen using Ctrl plus L. Let's make the screen messy on purpose by spitting out the contents of the os-release file. Now hold down Ctrl and press L. You'd get the same results, of course, if you were to simply type out clear in the terminal instead. But Ctrl plus L might be more convenient to some. Another neat little shortcut is to Ctrl plus R to look through the previous commands you have used from your command history. Let's say I want to enter the sudo apt update combo in the command line. After pressing Ctrl plus R, I type U, P, D, A and the relevant command shows up. If there are more than one entries that contain what you are searching for, then press Ctrl plus R again repeatedly until you get your desired command. Press Ctrl plus C to cancel a running command. Like in this case, it takes you out of the reverse-i-search command. If you forgot to add a sudo in the beginning, like let's pretend we forgot to add the sudo to app-get update command. We can repeat the failed command with the sudo automatically prepended at the beginning. All we have to type is sudo space and 2 exclamation marks and voila, the command runs again with the sudo privileges. You can run a command directly from history by typing out the command number after the exclamation mark. Like in this case, we follow the exclamation mark with 1293 to rerun the cat/etc/os-release command combo. Another neat shortcut is to reuse the argument of the last command using alt plus dot. Let's assume for the sake of this video that we want to edit a text file. We open it using the nano text editor, but then we realize that we were supposed to use vim. Exit nano and then type out vim space, and then instead of retyping the name of the text file, just hold down alt and then press the dot, or what some people also called a period or a full stop. Subscribe to my channel and share my videos to help me grow on YouTube. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.